Hello Soul Family, welcome to Trupti's Tarot Predictions. This is weekly predictions from 4th of October till 10th of October. We do have new moon in Libra, okay, on 6th of October. So what does it mean? It means that you may and you have to, okay, reset your energies, reset your emotions, and strike out the balance in between your relationships, in between your heart space and mind space, overall in life, okay. The harmony should bring, okay, you should bring the harmony, okay. So that is all about new moon in Libra, okay. That is the main concept, or that is what we are striking, and that is what we should do, okay, for this new moon energies, okay. So yeah, as you know the format, okay. I'll be pulling out 3 cards for your energy towards your person, 3 cards for your person's energy towards you, okay, 3 cards for your mutual relationship energy, and 3 cards for your personal energy, okay. And keep one question in mind. I'll be answering that question at the end of the reading, okay. So let's start. Yeah, this time around, I guess. Yeah, it is their energy first. Okay. Okay. So shall we begin with their energies first? Okay, because those are the channel messages. Okay, and yeah, I hope I am audible. Okay, so I think they are taking full charge of this new moon energy. They are in full in sync with this new moon's energy. Okay, because what they want is, what they are seeking is, and what they are achieving is the stability. Stability in relationship, stability in finances, stability in your everything. Okay, in their personal and professional life. Personal, obviously, overall their life, okay, apart from you, and the relationship between you and them, okay, the harmonious relationship. They are trying to bring the love, affection, harmony in this relationship, okay. If at all they have started, or they have not even started, okay, but that is all they are seeking, and that they will do, okay. It's like, even if I mean, obviously your energies are also good, but even if you may seem dicey, okay, or you may seem little bit imbalanced, or little bit juggling, or not sure about the future, but they are damn sure. They are damn sure about their love. They are damn sure about the future of the relationship. They are so strong in their energies, and they are taking full charge of the full advantage of this new moon's energy. So yeah, for them, for their energy towards you, it's very stable. Trust me, it is very stable. If at all you want to take this relationship ahead, please listen to them, even if right now it is not making sense to you, because that those are the channel messages which I am getting right now. After listening to this first 3-4 minutes, you might say, nah, they are not listening to me, or they are not showing that kind of energies, or they are going in some different direction. But no, trust in them, okay, have faith in them. If at all they are saying something to you, please trust them, okay. If they are saying, no, this is not the right time, please trust them, because all they are doing, or all they are seeking, or whatever they are doing, it is just to bring the relationship, the stability in your relationship, okay. They want the harmonious relationship, okay. And their energies are crystal clear. It is sheer love, okay. It is sheer love. So if at all you, even if you are not liking, or it is not making sense to you, please listen to them, okay. I'll just show you the cards. the Lovers, okay, King of Pentacles, and Seven of Wands. Okay, very crystal clear. Their head also and mind space also. Okay, so now let's talk about your energies. Okay, obviously you are seeking that fulfillment. Okay, fulfillment of love, relationship, overall achievement. You want to reach to that level wherein epitome of love. Okay, that is it. If at all you are looking out for marriage, if that is on your mind, okay, so yeah, that you feel that yes, if at all you are looking out for family stability, okay, with them, then you feel yeah, this is it what I want. Okay, even if you are not, even if you are in disagreement, okay, but that is what is your ultimate aim. Okay, just make sure that you are communicating this to them very clearly, whatever your wishes are. Okay, don't I mean, for you as well. Okay, make it crystal clear to yourself first. Okay, what you want. Okay, and then convey it to them. It should not be that, it should not be half minded, or it should not be oh wow, how I should convey, or this is not the right time. Nothing doing. Okay, nothing doing. Decide what you want, convey to them. Okay, because they are in full charge of the of overall relationship, overall their energies. So whatever you want, please decide and convey it to them. Okay, that is what you want, fulfillment. Yes, please tell them. I'll just show you the cards. Don't be in indecisive mode. Okay, don't keep on juggling in between your heart space and mind space. Don't do that. Sometimes yes, sometimes no, sometimes later. No, just be sure. Communicate with them. Okay, communicate with them strongly, clearly. Ace of Swords. This is Ten of Pentacles. Fulfillment. That is it what you want. So yeah, for me, they are coming from more stable energy. But yeah, whatever you wish, you are energetically, whatever you are wishing, please convert it into your physical world. Okay, so yeah, that is it. Let's see your relationship energy. Whatever your disagreements, okay, please reset it, please sort it out. Okay, that is I'm telling you. Why I'm telling you? Because this is your energy. They are at very good energies. Okay, so I won't convey anything to them. Okay, if cross watchers are watching or anything like that, please have a look. Okay, if at all you are looking out for your person of interest, then yeah, you are at good stable energy. Don't worry. It is just that they want to make sure that they are conveying it to you. Let's see. Money. Okay. See, yeah. Okay. Though personally, as a reader, I mean, obviously, pentacles are more of related to finances, money, career, but not necessarily it is only about money. Okay, sometimes it so happen that we feel that money will bring the stability in our relationship. Okay, that is where we are lacking. Okay, but sometimes fulfillment is what we are looking at. Okay, it is just we are doing it step by step. So yeah, for your mutual energies, things are changing for good, for betterment. Okay, it is just that take control of the situation. Okay, take baby steps. Okay, take one step at a time and then move forward. Take one step at a time, move forward. Okay, it is for you basically. I'm repeating again and again, it is for you basically. Okay, they have reached already to that level. Okay, they are trying and they have already reached. It is just that you need to little bit work towards it. Don't sit at one place and don't just wish. No, whether it is law of attraction, whether it is manifestation, whether it is your simple wishes, whatever it may be, until and unless you take action, nothing will move in the universe. Okay, nothing will move energetically. For the energies, those have matured, or for the energetic, whatever is happening to bring to this physical world, you need to take care of it. You need to take the action. Okay, so things are moving, things are changing, but yes, little bit, one step at a head. And yes, obviously you will get benefit of that. Okay, trust me, you will get benefit of that. I don't feel personally, um, apart from that little bit doubtfulness, okay, I don't see this reading is, I mean, this reading seems to be good to me. Okay, personally, as a reader, yeah, energetically, I wish you to take the to trust in them. Okay, basically that is what it is, and to move forward. Okay, in the relationship, obviously. I'll just show you the cards. It's the Wheel of Fortune, Page of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles. So yeah, money, work. Okay, work in the sense, in the relationship also you have to invest. In the relationship also you have to take baby steps. In the relationship also you keep on adding. Okay, just don't sit back, keep on adding. So yeah, that is it. Let's see your, let's see for your overall energies. Okay, see, personally, if someone is not feeling well, okay, please take care of them. Okay, whatever is happening in your personal life, apart from love, okay, apart from love, you are holding on to certain things in life too tightly, okay, that you are not releasing. Maybe it is just that it might be possible that I should not say a bad job, but yeah, a job which is not fulfilling your desires, okay, your professional careeristic desires, okay, which is not giving you much money, or it may seem that the family, apart from your husband, your partner, your boyfriend, okay, take it how it resonates. Okay, I mean the opposite gender. Okay, maybe your wife, girlfriend, or you know. So apart from them, okay, it might so happen that the family, you need to take care of them. Okay, and you are holding either grudges, or either you are caring too much. Something is something which you are not releasing. Okay, or it may so happen that something has happened in the past, okay, which you are not releasing. Okay, which you need to, because see, I always tell my clients that if we don't take any action, okay, universe, God, source will wait for us to take the action. They'll guide you that this is the way and you should go on this path only. They'll warn you once, twice, thrice. Okay, but if at all you are not taking any action, those forces will come into action. And they will shed off all the negativity in your life. Okay, whatever it is not serving to at your best, okay, everything will get shed off, and the new beginning will start. Provided you should be in stable energies. You should not act in the opposite direction. Okay, whatever universe is bringing, or whatever universe is doing towards you. Okay, so please take care of that. Remember one thing in life. Okay, whatever is happening, or whatever will happen in the next 1 month. Okay, this is for this week I'm reading. Okay, but whatever messages I'm getting is for 1 month. Whatever will happen in your life 1 month, be stable in your energies. Okay, that is what is much more important. Don't lose your control. Don't lose your control. Don't lose your hope. Don't get angry. Okay, don't overreact. Okay, respond to the situations. Don't overreact. Don't overthink. Okay, let universe, God Almighty, okay, take care of the situation. Okay, why? To bring the stability in your life, to bring the fulfillment, happiness to you and your family life. Okay, I'll just show you the cards. Okay, so yeah, it is the great tower moment. Okay, let it come, let it happen. Okay, it will shed off all the negativity from your life. Don't act in between. Don't feel that it is backstabbing. Don't feel it is something universe is doing something against you, or God is playing something against you. No, it is not. It is not. These energies are bringing you towards this fulfillment. 10 of Cups. Take it slow, be stable, okay, and respond. Don't overreact. So yeah, this is it for this week. Okay, if at all you have not decided any question, you can pause this video. Okay, I'll be pulling out one card for your for that question. Okay, let's see what the universe and unicorns, okay, answering to your question. Okay, honesty. The card says honesty. The card is for honesty, and it says honesty will ultimately be rewarded. Okay, so my dear friend, whatever you have gone through or whatever will happen to you, trust me, be honest. Okay, be honest in your energies towards you, towards your wishes. Okay, you should be honest to yourself first. Okay, and then to the family or your your person of interest. Okay, and definitely I mean this honesty will be rewarded from universe, God. I don't know, but I'm getting feeling, as I'm looking out this card, okay, that somebody is in pain in the sense, not physical pain, emotional pain. Maybe you are holding on to certain energies. Maybe you are holding on to decision. Okay, I guess it's too much for you to wait anymore. Okay, but trust me, the tower moment will come and will clear off everything. Trust me, it will clear off everything. Just be honest with yourself first, honest with your family, honest with your person of interest, honest with God. Okay, this will be rewarded, don't worry. Okay, so yeah, this is it from my side. Okay, for this week. Yeah, please subscribe my channel. And if you like this reading, okay, if at all it is resonating with you, please do let me know. Okay, I appreciate your feedback always. Okay, so yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you for joining with me. Stay blessed. Thank you.